If you want to start your personal chef business and you're stuck at the beginning because you can't figure out how to start, you are in the right place. Hey there, Chef Shelly here. I help passionate cooks start a personal chef business so that you can get paid to do what you love on your own terms. If that sounds like something you'd love, be sure to hit the like, subscribe, and ring the little bell so that you never miss one of my videos full of tips and strategies. Now let's dive in how you can take that very first step towards starting your own personal chef business. Figuring out what you want is the absolute first thing you need to do. Really, you need to know what you want your business to look like. You can't build your business, you can't build a plan or your roadmap to get there until you know where you actually want to go, right? So ask yourself these questions. Do I want to focus on meal prep services, also known as personal chef services? Do I want to focus on catering? Do I want to focus on teaching classes? Or is it even something else? Do I want to be full-time or part-time? How much money do I want to make? For example, some chefs just want to prepare meals for families a few times a week, while others want to dive into all the services working full-time and having people help them. Either way, what you decide here sets the stage for all the other decisions you need to make moving forward. Here's the thing. It's okay if you don't have it all figured out yet. Just start with what excites you the most and adjust as you go. Then think about the type of food you love to cook. Is it comfort food, vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, keto, paleo, something really niche? Here's the key. Figure out what lights you up in the kitchen and also consider what people will pay for. For example, if you love cooking vegan meals and there's a growing demand for plant-based options in your community, perfect. But if you're into something super specialty like regional or ethnic cuisine, ask yourself, is there a big enough audience for it? And more importantly, are they willing to pay what you want to make? A little market research here can go a long way in helping you have a successful personal chef business. Finally, set clear goals for yourself. Do you want to work 1 day a week? Do you want to work 2 days a week? Do you want to go all in and this needs to be a full-time gig? For example, if you want to work part-time, you might only need 2 clients. 2 weekly meal prep clients, week after week after week is 2 cook days. But if you're aiming for full-time, then you might want to build a business with 8 clients, right? 2 would be weekly, 2 bi-weekly, 4 monthly, 8 clients, and that would be 4 days a week. Knowing these details up front will help you build a plan that works for your life, your schedule, your income, your goals. Here's the thing. Once you've figured out what you want, the rest becomes so much easier. Your services, your pricing, even your marketing will all be built around those decisions you make today as your foundation. If you want more guidance, feel free to grab my free guide below on how to do meal prep services for clients, and that'll walk you through the next steps to learning how to do meal prep services if that's one of the things you want to offer in your personal chef business. And remember, the clients are out there and they're hungry for what you're cooking.